Good morning everybody. I am Vinod Kumar Pusti from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Today we will learn the unit application of a derivative and the topic increasing and decreasing function. Increasing and decreasing function. What is increasing and decreasing function? How to identify increasing and decreasing function? We will use graphical method to explain it. Let's draw the graphs. X origin, Y curve of function f of x, second graph origin y x, curve of function f of x, third graph x, y origin, curve of function f of x. First graph, second graph, third graph. We will explain this by taking 2 point x1 and x2. Let's x1, another point is x2, f of x1 f of x2. Similarly, take x1, x2, f of x1 f of x2. This is f of x. In first graph, x1 less than x2. This means x is increasing. And in y-axis, f of x1 less than f of x2 means x is increasing, and also f of x1 less than f of x2. This means this is also increasing. This function is increasing function. Is increasing function when x1 less than x2, f of x1 less than f of x2, then this graph or this function indicates that this is increasing function. Similarly, in second graph, x1 less than x2, this means x increases, and f of x2 less than f of x1. In this case, x increases, but f of x2 less than f of x1. This means it decreases. So this function is decreasing function, this graph indicates a decreasing function. X increases x1 less than x2, f of x2 less than f of x1. So this is decreasing function. x1, x2, here x1 less than x2, x increases but f of x is constant. So this graph indicates that this is the constant function, neither decreasing nor increasing. We can define increasing and decreasing function by using differentiation. How to use differentiation? To use derivative, we should draw tangent at any point of the curve which inclined to x-axis, angle theta, and this tan theta greater than 0 because it is in first quadrant, and we know that tan theta is equal to the slope of a tangent to the curve. dy by dx equal to tan theta. Here dy by dx also greater than 0. Here dy by dx also greater than 0 because tan theta greater than 0. In this case, the function is increasing by applying derivative. In second graph, if we draw tangent at any point, it is inclined to x-axis, making angle theta 1, and this here tan theta tan 180 degree minus theta 1. We know that tan 180 degree minus theta is equal to minus tan theta because it is in second quadrant. Minus tan theta 1 minus tan theta 1 is negative, so it is less than 0. In this case, the derivative dy by dx also less than 0. So this function is decreasing. When dy by dx less than 0, the function is decreasing. When dy by dx greater than 0, the function is increasing. Here tan theta is equal to 0 means dy by dx equal to 0. The function is neither increasing nor decreasing. This is a constant function. Let's some example to solve and find out the interval where the function is increasing and where the function is decreasing. F of x given sin x plus cos x. F of x given sin x plus cos x. By applying derivative both sides, d by dx, f of x, d by dx, sin x plus cos x, we can get f dash x equal to derivative of a sin x cos x and the derivative of a cos x minus sin x. We know that at extreme point derivative of a function equal to 0. This means that f dash x equal to 0. So cos x minus sin x equal to 0. Here f dash x cos x minus sin x, f dash x equal to 0 at extreme point. So cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. We can find out the critical point. Here x is equal to pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. This means that cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 equal to 0. Cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2 minus sin pi by 4 equal 1 by root 2. Sin 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. Similarly, cos pi 5 pi by 4 minus sin 5 pi by 4 equal to 0. Now find interval by applying this. Zero, pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 2 pi. 0, pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 2 pi. Between 0, 5 pi by 4, between 0 and pi by 4, we can take any point and substitute in f dash x and verify it is greater than 0 or less than 0. Let pi by 6, pi by 6 between 0 and pi by 4 means 0 less than pi by 6 less than pi by 4. If we substitute this in f dash x, f dash pi by 6 equal to cos pi by 6 minus sin pi by 6. We know that cos pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2, and sin pi by 6, that is 1 by 2. So this becomes root 3 minus 1 by 2, which is greater than 0. Means root 3 minus 1 by 2 greater than 0. Here f dash x greater than 0 and x belongs to 0 pi by 4. Means in this interval 0 pi by 4, f dash x is greater than 0 and this is the increasing function. Here the function is increasing with interval 0 pi by 4. Next interval pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Let a point between pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4, pi by 2, which is between 0 less than pi by 2 less than 5 pi by 4. Means pi by 2 is between 0, between pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. By applying in f dash x pi by 2, we can get f dash pi by 2 equal to cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. We know that cos pi by 2 is equal to 0 and sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. So this will be minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 is less than 0. This means that f dash x here less than 0 and x belongs to pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. In this case, the function is decreasing because f dash x less than 0 and x belongs to pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 in open interval pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Next interval 5 pi by 4, 2 pi. Between 5 pi by 4, 2 pi, we can take a point 5 pi by 4 less than 5 pi by 3 less than 2 pi. This 5 pi by 3 lies between 5 pi by 4 and 2 pi. By substitute 5 pi by 3 in f dash x, we can get f dash a 5 pi by 3 equal to cos 5 pi by 3 minus sin 5 pi by 3, and explain this each term, we can get cos 2 pi minus pi by 3 minus sin 2 pi minus pi by 3. Cos 2 pi minus pi by 3, this becomes cos pi by 3. Sin 2 pi minus pi by 3, this becomes minus sin pi by 3. Minus sin pi by 3. And that is cos pi by 3 plus sin pi by 3. And this value equal to f dash 5 pi by 3 equal to cos pi by 3 equal to 1 by 2 plus sin pi by 3 equal to root 3 by 2. So this 1 plus root 3 by 2, which is greater than 0. 1 plus root 3 by 2 is greater than 0. In this case, the function is increasing. F dash x greater than 0 and x belongs to open interval 5 pi by 4 and 2 pi. Summary of this question: f dash x greater than 0 and x belongs to open interval 0 pi by 4 and x belongs to 5 pi by 4 2 pi. This means that f dash x greater than 0 where x belongs to 0 pi by 4 and x belongs to 5 pi by 4 2 pi. Similarly, f dash x less than 0, f dash x less than 0, and x belongs to open interval pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. In this case, f dash x less than 0 and x belongs to 5 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. In this case, the function is decreasing.